Hur was given a mission by Umar bin Saad to block Hussein's way with an army of 1,000 men. I was the last person to reach his army in the heights of Dhu Hussam after traveling a long distance. I was exhausted and thirsty. I was looking for Hur in the crowd when suddenly I saw Hussein with his water skin, walking among our people and giving water to the thirsty soldiers and their horses. I was absolutely baffled. Weren't we at war with Hussein? Wasn't Hussein our enemy? So what was he doing walking among our campsite? When he spotted me from the distance, I tried to hide myself. I didn't want to face him, but he came forward, smiling, and offered me water. The long journey had left me weak, and I did not have enough strength to even lift the water skin. When Hussein caught sight of this, he said, "You must be exhausted." I didn't utter a word, but he came closer and took the water skin from my hands and said, "Let me help you."